As your day begins, we're not the first thing you notice, but the truth is, we are in everything that matters. Because before the world wakes up, our inks are already at work. On the box that speaks of fresh beginnings, the label that promises warmth, in the newspaper that brings you the headlines, the gentle reminder on the medicine box that cares for you, in the elegance of a soap wrapper, on a label as sleek as the shampoo bottle. Our inks help you make choices, smart ones, informed ones. School time, we are right there, adding color and fun to knowledge. Time to get fit, or on the move in your comfort wear. And on your smart ride, we are there. From the mirror to the meeting table, we're by your side. Our inks document progress in every report that drives decisions, in every catalog that starts a conversation. In your chores at home, too, our inks lend a helping hand. From the store to your doorstep, we tell you where it's from, what's inside, and how to enjoy it. In the supermarket, our color catches the eye before words do. We make sure every brand stands out on the shelves. The pack of crunchy temptations, the box that offers melting, cheesy eats. Eating or playing, we serve fun in full color. Morning routine, we were there. And now, as the lights dim, we're still around. In the label on your nighttime coffee, in the pages you read before you rest. You may not always see us, but every day, in every way, our inks are with you, in every moment of your life.